Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn and Earn with Yusuf YouTube channel. In this video we will create this dashboard using MS Excel. Okay, so this is the demo that we will create in this video. Okay, let's check it. Okay, first of all, these are the sales based on year. Okay, these are the categories, these are the products and these are the sales. Okay, just for example 2021, 22, 23 and 24. However you want, so you can just create. Okay, in 24 we have just these two, for example in this year we have these two products just. Okay, in 23 we have all these products which has displayed these three products. Okay, so now let's move to the right side. Here we have the sales, okay, that we have displayed based on year. These were we displayed the category and products also. These are just the sales that we have displayed based on year. Okay, if you would like to, these are also the sales based on year. If you want to just display for example the electronics, okay, that you have sale. Okay, press electronic, you will see the sale of electronics. Furniture, you will see the electronic of furniture. See, this also changed. And garments, you will see the garments. Now let's move to the right side, and here we have based on state. Okay, here we have displayed, these are three different states with us, and here also we have displayed in pie chart, here in bar chart. Let's press for example KBL. Okay, in this state we have just this much sale, and in this one we can display, and also if we press this we will display the products of that just one. So before this chart was not updating because this slicer was not connected with this. Okay, we have connected this with this table charts also. Okay, later we will explain you everything, okay, how to connect it and how to do it. So we will do something like this in this video. So let's get started. You can customize your dashboard using your data. Okay, but my data is related to this, okay, sales, and I have displayed them like this. Okay, you can customize your data very easily. I will show you step by step, okay, how to do it, how to display. For example, you want to display by names, just which users imply how many products they sell and how many they buy. You can do whatever you want. Okay, so you can create your dashboard. So let's get started. Okay, so now first of all I will come here to a new dashboard, to a new spreadsheet. In this spreadsheet, first of all I will design my dashboard. Okay, let's select all the cells and I will assign a color to this. Okay, so let's assign this black color. So after assigning the black color, now let's select these the first two cells. After selecting these first three cells, come here to the home and merge them. Okay, merge and center. After merging them, let's write here for example dashboard, or you would like to assign your logo on the right side and dashboard on the left side, whatever you want. So you can write that and your screen and your menu. Okay, so let's move it to the center and increase the size, and also change the size to color to white. Okay, it looks like this. Control bold it, control italic it, and we can move it to the right side also. Okay, let's move it to the right side. Just come here to the home and left align. Okay, set her, move to the left side. So now we will create our charts. Okay, this is my data. Okay, this is the data that I have. First of all, you should have your data. Okay, and change the data first of all to the table. Just select all the data, control A, select the whole table, then press control T. Okay, after pressing control T, it will be converted to the table. Okay, so it is already converted to the table. So after converting the table, so now let's create pivot tables from this chart. Okay, click on your data, then come here to the insert and then press this pivot table. After pressing this option, so here you will assign pivot table names. Okay, pivot table first. Okay, this is the first one, and we would like to create a new worksheet. Press OK. See, it sees that we should select our table. Okay, sorry, instead of assigning a name, we should select our data. Okay, let's select our data. Yeah, close it and click here and come into the insert in the pivot table. This table name, okay, this table name is table 3. So press OK. So we came to this new worksheet. Okay, so the new spreadsheet. So now here we will create our pivot table. So to create, for example, for the first time we want to display the products, the category, then the after that the products, then the sales. Okay, so for that we will simply just drag this department to row, then the product to row, after that sales to this values. Okay, come here to the sales, drag sales to the value. So So we have created this our first pivot table. So now what we should do, so now come here to the pivot table analysis. Okay, so this tab, after coming here, press this pivot chart, press it. Okay, so which chart you would like to create. Okay, so for example, let's come here to the bar and we would like to create a table like this. Okay, press OK. So this chart has created. Okay, now we will customize this chart. First of all, let's hide these buttons. Okay, right click on this button and hide all field buttons on chart. Press this, all buttons has hide it. Okay, concealed. So after that you can change this title also. Then come here, right click. Okay, we would like to, yeah, the chart title, this is the chart title, that is okay, that should be existed. Grid lines, so let's remove these lines. Okay, I uncheck this, and also we would like to remove this legend. Okay, just come here and remove the legends. So our chart looks like this something. If you would like to display the data, the sales on the right side, so for this just press here. See, the data has displayed here. Okay, so now let's just decrease the size of this. You can change the type of chart also, for example which type you want, so you can create like this. Like this one is okay. Now let's Control X. Okay, cut it. Control X, cut it, and now let's create a new sheet. Okay, rename it to our dashboard. So we already have a dashboard name, so let's dashboard 2. Okay, press enter, and sorry, we have the dashboard, sorry. So let's come here to the sheet 6. Okay, we already created that, so here we will paste that. So we have pasted our first chart. So let us drag it to the down, okay, until this area. Let's move it up. Yeah, it looks like this. Okay, it is our first chart. Let's drag it to the left side and place it here. So now we will create slice for this. Okay, the buttons. So to create buttons, so first of all let's remove the grid lines, this grid lines, okay, from this. So to create slice for this, click on this, then come here to the pivot table analysis, then press on this insert slice. So to insert the slice, we would like to insert a slice based on years. Okay, so to display the data based on years, so just select the year and press OK. So the slice has inserted. So now let's customize it. Okay, let's come here to the slicer tab, then we would like to display it in 4 column, 3 and 4 column, because we have 4 years. Drag it to the right side and move it to the up, and let's remove these things. So for that, right click, slicer setting, and after that display header, just uncheck this. Okay, so that it's concealed. Let's move it up and let's drag it now here. Let's place it here. So these are our buttons. So we can now customize 2021, display just 2021 to 23. So you can do that. Okay, select all. Now we have selected back all the years. So now let's move to display the data based on sales. Okay, based on year dates. Okay, just come here to the sheet data. Let's delete this one. Yeah, delete it one, and come here to the sheet 7, and we would like to create a new pivot table. So for that, let's copy this one. Okay, let's Control A8, copy this one, paste it. So after pasting it, we will just customize it. Okay, instead of that moving back to the data, right click and move to the insert menu, pivot table, we just copy this and click here. Okay, now let's customize it. So we will now create another pivot table based on our category. Okay, just come here and we will remove this department from rows to columns. Okay, we will display like this, and product, instead of product, let's remove the product, and we will just bring our year to the last cell. Okay, just take it the last cell. It will looks like this. Okay, now let's create chart for this. So to create chart, let's come here, pivot table analysis, create chart, and we will come here to the line chart. Let's select this one. So after that, select OK. The chart has created. Let's hide these buttons, hide all buttons, click on this one, and grid line, and also legends. So after that, resize it. After resizing it, Control Exit. After Control Xing it, come here to the sheet 6, and let's drag it to the right side here, and here we will paste it here, and let's move it to the right side. It looks like this. Now let's add slicer. Just click the charts. After clicking the chart, come here to the pivot table analysis, click insert slice. After that, we would like to just display the departments, okay, and press OK. After that, let's come here to the slicer tab. On the slicer, we would like to display in 3 columns, and let's drag it to the right side to display all the departments. Drag it up and unhide these. Come here to the slicer setting, display header, uncheck that. Let's move it to the top and let's move it here. Okay, let's add a header to this dashboard. Okay, seal. Come here to the home and come here and take outside border, and let's assign a color. Just come here to line color and select white color and press this one. Okay, this one. Okay, that has added. Now bring it down. Yeah, that looks like this. Now let's customize it. Furniture, garments, select all. So come here back to sheet 7, and here let's copy this, the same thing. Control C, copy that and paste it here. Okay, Control V. After copying that, so now let's customize it. Okay, now we will do the same thing. Okay, let's create a chart for this, but that would be a bar chart. Pivot table and select this bar chart and press OK. So after selecting that, let's hide these and hide the grid line and legends. If you want to add the title, so just press data chart title. Okay, and also for data label or data table, so we will not show that. Okay, it looks like this. Let's chart title, sales like. Okay, just add the title and this resize it like this and Control Exit and paste it here. Okay, just come here, paste it here. After pasting it, let's come here, display it like this. So now it should be connected with these buttons. Okay, with this slicer. So let's right click on this one, and then we will come here to the report connection. So it is connected with these two. Okay, 10 and 11. With this is 10 and this is 11 table with us. Okay, it is connected with both of them. If it was not connected, so you can check that and press OK. Right now it is connected. Let's press furniture. See, that has changed also. So now let's move to the right side and create another chart. Just come here to the sheet 7, and here we will let's copy this, Control A, Control C and paste it here. After pasting it, so now let's customize it. Okay, so we would like to display here in this row. Let's remove it from rows. In the rows, we would like to display the state. Copy the state and let's remove the department, and we would like to display the sales and the values. Now let's create chart for this. Okay, charts, and we want to create a chart for this. That would be, which one chart we should create? Let's click this one and press OK. Control Exit, paste it here. So it looks like this. Okay, now let's create slicer for this one. Okay, so to create slicer, just come here to the insert slice, and we would like to display just the states and press OK. So after that, now let's display them. Come here to the slicer and we will display them in 3 columns and get like this. Slicer setting, uncheck OK. These, bring it here. Okay, so now let's come here to the Shift C1 and Control A it, Control C, and come here, Control V it. Okay, paste it here for example. After pasting it, so now let's add our department to the columns now. Okay, we will display something like this. Now let's create charts for this one. Okay, so to create charts for this one, just come here and we will display it pie chart. Okay, and let's change the shape of the pie chart. We would like to display something like it is not okay, it's also not okay. Let's select this one, or it is not this one. Okay, select this one and let's display hide these buttons, bring it here with like this and cut it. Come to Shift C1 and paste it here. Let's make it like this. Now let's create the connection between these states. Okay, yeah, the connection is created already. Okay, that is has changed this state, C to this state, and select all. Okay, so this was all about, okay, that we has created our dashboard in Excel. See, everything is changing. Select just all, press mouse and select all of them, so all of them will be selected. So it was all about creating a dashboard in Excel. I hope this video was helpful for you. You can customize your dashboard. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video, comment down and share it. Thanks for watching.